Get who? Who's under there?
Dopey.
Dopey?
Hi, Max. Where are you now? Shayna, where are you?
Shayna, where are you?
Where are you?
Hamptons.
Do you like the Hamptons?
You're gonna follow.
All right, I'm gonna go under to get Dopey, okay? Hang on.
I think he's gonna be scared.
Uh-oh.
Hey!
Yay, Daddy!
Whoa!
Are you guys having fun in the
Are you
sun?
having fun in the Hamptons? Ring around the posy, a pocket full of posy. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down! All right. A pocket full of posy, ashes, ashes, we all fall down! No, Asher, ashes. Who's Asher? Some Israeli guy. Is that an Israeli guy? Wait, tell Mommy what you have to say about the Hamptons.
It's so sunny, and we can go in the pool when it's sunny, and we can lay down when it's so sunny.
It's so sunny right before Daddy files for bankruptcy.
Yeah. So I can stand here with putting my pictures in the cup,
Ah!
And?
I can.
You're going in the pool.
Well, I'm standing on.
All right.
Yofi, Yofi.
So now I can stand wherever I want.
All right, don't. It's just film too
Okay.
long. You can't.
Bye.
Stop. Stop.